All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I got something interesting here. I got two boxes from Mackie, and there's like a CP3, but it's a special edition because this is the Beep Mackie and the Beep Lautie, and I'm gonna check them out. And you also, guys, can check out Fablades.com and see what is going on there. Let's see, we got pretty much the same thing. I thought to make two videos, but it's the same toy, and I'm just gonna check them out. So don't forget to check what's down there. Like there's gonna be some goodies for sure. But here we are with these two bad boys, nicely sealed. So we're gonna just open this guy up like so. All right, I'm just gonna leave that quality check intact. So that's the Lautie one, and this is the Mackie one. So let's just, by the way, this is one of the nicest knives money can buy. And here we are with these two gorgeously done. Look at the polish going on these two guys, and the blasted Xerx surface. That is pretty cool. So pretty much this size is exactly the same. The face is gonna be changing on the show side, let's say, right? So these are the CP3, okay, a little bit revised with the Teflon already installed. You get to see that this guy just, comes off, and only on both sides, and you do not have any numbering going on unless this is covered up. And so you're gonna see that the numbering at the back of the box. So 300, 299 of these made, so it's a limited edition. If you like to get one, I suggest to get one, and just don't wait, because these are going to be gone pretty soon, and these are fantastic sliders. It is kind of like the evolution of this fella right over here. Very, very different, but very, very similar as well, right? So we are a little bit the bigger size, just like by just a smidge, but we are definitely thicker, right? So let's go ahead and do a little bit of measurements. For this guy, we get 23 millimeters width and 1173 millimeters thickness and 44 millimeters in length. And the CP3, just a little shorter, 44 and 23 and 11. So as you can see, this guy is just a little bit smaller. And just to give you an idea, 01 EDC slider, you got the Y EDC pig slider, you got the One Woo Armor slider, you got the Lautie shuffle slider, you got the this is the battle shield from Chenyu slider. And then, guys, I could really bore you to death with a bunch of slider that I can just throw in. I can feel this, but no, I don't want to waste your time. We are here to check these bad boy out, because that's what you guys are here for. So the first thing that you notice when you handle these guys is the smoothness that is unreal. It's probably the smoothest slider, especially because of the Teflon washer installed around. It's simply fantastic. It's really, really good. You can even get two to play with two hands. It's gonna be twice the fun, twice the noise, twice the enjoyment. Of course, even if you get one, you're gonna be nicely satisfied and surprised by the quality. I have to say, these are very, very well made, good quality. I cannot see any flaws in these guys. So yeah, nailed it. It is a classic slider. It's super nice, super fidgety. You kind of can transform this into a clicker if you just hold it with hold your hand. I mean, it just looks pretty good. Love the design language from Mackie and from Lautie. Of course, it is just a stunner. Oh, there you have it. Sorry, I'm kind of like getting old. Here is the numbering relative to these two bad boys, because yes, these are limited edition. So if you want one, get it now before it is too late. And as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you enjoyed this video. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.